So today I'll be showing you how to connect your Sony XM6 headphones to your Xbox, and this can work with the Xbox Series S or X or even the older Xbox One. So what you need to do is, in the packaging of your Sony XM6 headphones, there was a cable. This is an aux cable with aux on both sides, so that's what you want to use. So pick up your Xbox controller and then connect one end of that aux cable into the aux port on that controller, like that. And then once you connect that, connect the other end of the cable to the headphones. All right, so the headphones also have a headphone jack right here, as you can see, and that's on the left ear cup. Okay, so you want to connect this other end as well. Now before you connect, make sure you turn off the headphones. Okay, so you have to turn off the headphones because you don't need to use battery when you're connecting them via cable. So with the headphones off and connected like this, all right, like that, then you are good to go. You can even tell from the top right corner of your screen that the headphones have been detected. We can confirm that by going into settings and then go to general and then go to volume and audio output, and then you should see our headset is connected. All right, so you can see headset connected, so that confirms all the sound now will come from the headset. Now you can do a few things like you have additional options here. You can do audio testing and details. You can change the audio setup, do whatever you need to do, but that is basically how to connect this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.